Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So in order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application. And then from here, you just have to log into your account with your credentials. And once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on this wallet tab at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And then after that, you need to tap on spot at the top, this one right here. So just click on that. Now, once you do this, you will have to select the crypto that you want to send. So in this case, we're going to choose Solana. And here you will be able to see the withdraw option. So you need to tap on withdraw and then you need to select send via crypto wallet. Now, once you have done that, you will need to fill out this form where you need to provide the address. So in order to find the address, you will have to launch your Phantom wallet and then you just have to log into your account with your credentials. Now, once you have successfully logged into your Phantom wallet, you need to tap on Solana and then you need to tap on receive. Now, once you do this, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the address relating to Solana. So you just have to copy this address and then you need to go to your Binance account again. And in this address section, you will have to paste the address. After that, you will have to select a network. So you need to make sure that the network that is selected is correct. Then you will have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to purchase. And after that, you just need to tap on this withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And that's it. That's how you send crypto from Binance to Phantom Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.